Welcome to this tutorial about the screw package for Unity, in which we're going to explain how you can achieve a screw rigid body physics joint in Unity with a simple script that we're going to show in just a second. Well, the first thing you have to consider is the environment. We have a screw here on top of a cube, and as you can see, the screw has several box colliders, which will be used to interact with the screwdriver, which is this one here. And here on the bottom, you can see the camera that is facing towards the screw interaction. So let's just zoom here a little bit, so you can see how the colliders are going to interact. So you can press W and S to move the screwdriver up and down, and you can rotate it by pressing D and A. Okay, so let's just put it there in order to see what happens. Okay, so you can see how the screw is completely rigid. It's not going to move at all whenever it impacts with a rigid body. And if we rotate the screwdriver, we're able to introduce the screw inside the box, which is the movement we were looking for. If we take the screwdriver away, you can see how the rigid body remains rigid, and in this case the screw is completely inside the box. If we turn the screwdriver to the opposite direction, you will be able to pull out the screw again little by little using the scripts until the screw gets to the end of the possible position, and it will disable the colliders and the rigid joints, and it will activate the gravity again, so it will become another rigid body in the scene. So let's restart this for a second to show you some other features. Let's see how we create this joint. To do so, we need to add first of all a configurable joint, which is going to have an angular set motion set to free and the other one set to locked. Okay, so that will give the rotation, as you can see here, of the bolt in the free position. But how are we able to achieve the movement in the y direction? So it's quite easy if you understand the principle of a screw. The screw turns and at the same time advances. So to do that, we need a step. The step is the amount of movement that the bolt or the screw is going to take in order to go up or go down during the rotation. Okay. Then we have the accumulated angle, which is going to be the number of degrees that the bolt has turned. So you can see that whenever we are going back to the original position, the accumulated angle is going to be lower, and whenever we are getting close to the cube, the accumulated angle is going to be superior. That is quite related to the value of the anchor. You have seen that it changes from negative values, from more negative values to ones that are higher, and that is because whenever we are going down, we are changing the anchor of the configurable joint. So you can see here that the connected anchor is being changed by script here. So for example, let's try just to put it in a different position. If we erase this, you will see how the joint makes the bolt go up or go down, as you can see. So that's what we are using in order to get the bolt to work. Okay, we are using the script here, in order to change the value of the connected anchor. And thanks to that, we're able to modify the position of the bolt. Then the minimal and the maximal anchor are used to know the limits. For example, if we are screwing like this and then we unscrew, we get to a higher limit, and in that case, as you can see here, the screw will become another rigid body in the scene, and that is achieved thanks to a capsule collider and the fact that the script erases the configurable joint during the gameplay. So that's all regarding this package. I hope you consider downloading it and buying our assets. Keep tuned in our channel to more information and more packages for Unity. Thanks very much for your help.